If you're staring at your old furnace right now, wondering if it'll survive the winter, you aren't just worried about the heat, you're worried about making a huge financial mistake. You're overwhelmed by the brands, the quotes, and the fear of getting ripped off. Stop. In this video, we will show you the 3 phases that cut through the noise and ensure you don't buy the wrong system. Welcome to Getting HVAC. We've spent years working with all phases of heating and air conditioning, and we've seen exactly how confusing the HVAC industry can be for homeowners. Our goal here is simple: to take decades of professional experience and hand it over to you. We aren't here to push one brand over another or use complicated vocabulary. Instead, we're breaking down all the technical stuff into plain English so you can make a smart, confident decision. Hang around to the end of the video to discover 5 HVAC insider tips. Whether you're trying to compare efficiency ratings or just find a contractor you can trust, we're here to make buying a new HVAC system simple. So, grab a coffee and let's get started. Now, before we dive in, a quick but important note. This video is for educational purposes only. For your safety and to keep your warranties valid, you should always hire a qualified professional to handle your HVAC service and installation. It's not worth the risk of fire, electrocution, or carbon monoxide exposure in your home, so please don't try to DIY this one. Use the tips from this channel to find a pro you can trust to do the job right. Alright, let's talk about buying a new furnace. This is a significant home investment, but it is one that can seriously improve your comfort and lower your energy bills for decades to come. So, let's get it right. We'll break this down into 3 key phases. Phase 1 is all about assessing your needs. Before you even call a contractor, you need to understand what you have. First up, let's identify your fuel type. Most homes use natural gas, which is typically the most affordable option. But your home might use propane, heating oil, or even be all electric. Look at your current furnace and your utility bills to figure it out. Oil will almost always vent with metal smoke pipe, while gas furnaces may use metal or plastic pipe. Insider tip number 1, oil heaters above 87% AFU can be finicky. For now, ask plenty of questions before buying. Next, check the age and condition of your furnace. As a general rule, if it's 15 to 20 or more years old, it's probably living on borrowed time. How often has it been breaking down? Are the repair bills adding up? If you're losing sleep or if you're wasting money every winter just to keep it running, your efforts are better spent on a new system. Now for the big one, efficiency. Furnaces are rated by AFU, or annual fuel utilization efficiency. An 80% rating means 80 cents of every dollar you spend heats your house, and the other 20 cents is wasted. Modern high-efficiency gas models can reach up to 98% AFU. The exhaust on these is so cool they can be vented with plastic pipe. Upgrading from an old 70% furnace to a 95% model can slash your heating bills. You'll see the difference every single month. Okay, let's move on to phase 2, choosing the right type of furnace. If your furnace is near an outside wall, a 90% efficient or higher furnace usually makes the most sense. If it's near a central chimney, an 80% efficient model might be more practical. A good contractor can advise you. Once you know your fuel and efficiency goals, consider the burner stages. This is all about comfort. You'll hear terms like single stage, two stage, and modulating. A single stage furnace is either on or off, which can lead to temperature swings. Bigger is not better here. Proper sizing is key. Insider tip number 2, most fuel inefficiency happens during startup and shutdown. A 2-stage furnace is a big step up. It has a low and a high stage, providing more consistent, even heat. It runs longer, gentler cycles, which also filters your air better. Then you have the top-of-the-line option, a modulating furnace. It's like a dimmer switch, constantly fine-tuning its output for ultimate comfort and efficiency. Just be aware they are more complex and require an experienced technician. Since 2019, all new furnaces in North America have some form of variable speed blower motors. These can minimize issues with undersized ductwork. If you have uncomfortable rooms, talk to your contractor about solutions. For basic heating, a 95% FU single-stage furnace is a great investment. For a balance of comfort and efficiency, a 96% two-stage furnace is an excellent choice for most. For the absolute best, a modulating furnace is the way to go. So, what about brands? People always ask what is the best brand. My answer is always the same: the best brand is the one installed correctly by a great contractor. Insider tip number 3: the contractor is way more important than the brand. Honestly, most furnace brands are owned by just a handful of parent companies like Carrier, Trane, Lennox, Rheem, or Bosch. Insider tip number 4: it's not widely discussed, but these brands often share the same internal components and have similar failure rates. A bad installation can ruin any furnace. Focus on finding the best installer, not the fanciest name. Insider tip number 5: be cautious of supposedly neutral brand review websites. The question that has to be asked is, where do these websites get their funding? They also become a place for dissatisfied homeowners to vent when the problem may not be equipment related. Now for phase 3, the most important part: finding and hiring the right contractor. You can buy the best furnace on the market, but if it's installed incorrectly, it will never perform as it should. So, how do you find a good one? Check out our next video, Finding the Right HVAC Contractor. And that's it. I hope this breakdown makes the process a lot less intimidating. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more no-nonsense HVAC advice. We'll see you in the next one.